You searched how to buy shares of Nordic Aqua Partners AS, a Norway-based aquaculture company listed on Euronext with the ticker NOAP.OL. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After you sign up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NOAP.OL to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry that matches Nordic Aqua Partners AS in the results. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker NOAP.OL to ensure it is the correct stock. Select the buy action, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same steps, find the eToro link in the description